I'm Robert Braswell, and this is 2 Minutes with TMC. Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Robert Braswell, with ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. 2 Minutes with TMC is brought to you courtesy of Meritor. Meritor is a leading global supplier of drivetrain, mobility, braking, and aftermarket solutions for commercial vehicle and industrial markets. With a more than 100-year legacy of providing innovative products that offer superior performance, efficiency, and reliability, Meritor serves commercial truck, trailer, defense, specialty, and aftermarket customers around the world. And now let's take a look at what's happening in your council. TMC will be introducing an all-new mobile app for our 2018 annual meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition scheduled for March 5th through the 8th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. The completely redesigned mobile app, sponsored by Meritor, features advanced capabilities that promise to make your experience at TMC much easier and will maximize your time. Some of the benefits include up-to-the-minute exhibitor, speaker, and schedule information, asking questions and live polling online in selected sessions, real-time alerts from TMC during the meeting, and finding and locating meeting attendees, and so much more. The app is available in several formats, iPhone and Android, a hybrid web-based version for BlackBerry, and a web-based version for any smartphone that has web-enabled browser capability. It's free and easy to download. Search for ATA Events app in the Apple App Store or Google Play. To register for TMC's 2018 annual meeting, go to tmcannual.trucking.org. You'll find a shortcut link to our event landing page in today's email as well. And that's all the time we have today for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you by the good people at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell for TMC. Thanks for watching.